A healthy, oil-free and sugar-free carrot oat muffin is what we are making today, dear friends. The ingredients required for this are written for your reference. These are the ingredients which are there. You may substitute carrots for any other fruit of your choice. First, we have to make a coarse powder of rolled oats, 2 cup rolled oats, and transfer it to a container. The same has to be done to the carrots. Mince it very fine or grate it. And walnuts also. Chunky pieces is what is preferred of walnut. And keep all these three things aside. Start beating the 2 eggs and add maple syrup to it. On the side, you can add the whole milk to oats. Mix it well and keep it aside so that the rolled oats will soak in all the milk. Into the maple syrup and egg mix, we will add cocoa powder. Mix it well. And you can see how swelled up the rolled oats are looking. Transfer these to the egg mixture. Mix it well. And you can add rest of the ingredients. A little bit of minced carrot you can leave for using as a decoration. Walnuts also you can add in. Baking powder. A pinch of salt. Mix it all well thoroughly. And then transfer these to lined muffin trays. But the thing is that as oats are very sticky, it is better to use silicone cups instead of paper cups for you to be used in the baking. And then you can decorate on top with carrot pieces and walnuts and bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And I had around 17 to 20 muffins of small size, of this size I could get with these ingredients. So this is how it has turned out. You can see it is, because it is made of oats, it is dense, but it's very, very tasty and very healthy with no added sugar, no added oil. Now if you want, this is optional. This as it is very tasty, but you can have another topping on the cake, that is, you can add hung curd. As much, this quantity is as much as you desire. I had hung it for almost 2-3 hours so that the entire water is drained out, and then add into the hung curd, add enough maple syrup as per the liking, as per your liking of the sweetness level. Mix it very well so that there are no lumps. And then onto the muffins, you can top it with this, or you may just spread it like this with a spoon, or pipe it on top of each one. Now these are very yummy and are super healthy. So please do try out this carrot oat muffin, which can be prepared in under 30 minutes. Thank you.